I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, I they die.
Replay. I think I'm gonna kill them nigga up in a BJ.
What's up, Flawless Gang? Happy New Year. It's finally 2023. I'm so excited. I hope you guys are too. This year is going to be big. I already know. So it's only right to start off with a new wig install. So we're working with Unice today, and the only gifts they sent me was a wig cap and a headband. But going into the wig, we're working with an auburn wig today. Super pretty color. I've never done this color before, so I love trying new colors. This is 18 inches as well. I haven't worked with 18 in a minute, so this is a little weird working with 18 inches. Y'all know. And then the lace is transparent. It's actually a really good transparent lace. It melted really good. So first step to the install is going to be cut your ear tabs off. Go with the curve of your ear, and then just cut back to get the excessive lace off. So that's my key tip. Just go with the curve of your ear and have the scissors glide against your ear. That way you won't have like sharp straight lines. It'll go back to the curve of your ear. So yes, but today's install, y'all, we are doing the super cute and trendy Clawclip viral hairstyle. So I'm going to do a full tutorial, talk to you guys through the tutorial, and let you guys know how you can achieve the same look. So y'all know I'm trying to switch up the way I do installs. I want to do fun stuff this year. I've just been wanting a new year, y'all. I swear 2022 was just not it for me. And I was just so excited for this new year. I've been doing hair. Y'all know your girl has been doing hair on clients, period. Y'all already know. I would love for you guys to follow my hair page. It is Melted by Miss Marie. I do all my clients' hair on that page. I show you guys my work and everything, and I've been growing so much, and so many people message me and telling me, even for months now, people been telling me like, Shalisha, I see your growth since you first started, and like, I can't believe you're doing clients and you're getting better every time you do it. And I truly see my growth as well, and I'm just so grateful for the opportunity to just perfect something I have a huge passion for. And I just know this year's gonna be full of so much success and growth for me. I'm so excited. But back to the tutorial, y'all. We'll get more into me in a minute. Y'all know how I do my installs. I'm going to show you guys more detailed insights of how to achieve the Clawclip hairstyle. So we're going to speed this up. If you're an OG, y'all know how I put my wigs on, but that's about to change. I feel like I just educated myself a little bit more on products and stuff, and I feel like certain products shouldn't be on your forehead. I'm just sorry. So I'm gonna let y'all know about that too in a minute, but nonetheless, I will catch y'all back in a second. Let's put this wig on and then we'll go back into the tutorial. been getting on my melt band now, y'all. That melt band is the truth. I can't remember who sent me that, but that melt band gonna do it every time. It ain't like them ones that they be trying to sell the elastic. No, I'm talking about this is soft. I ain't never had a melt band melt my lace this good. I tell you, that melt band is the truth. If I lost it, I'd probably cry. So now into the tutorial, y'all. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna take two sections ear to ear and basically section off the frontal part of your wig, and that's going to be the part where you're going to put behind your ears. So I already did mine off camera because y'all know I can't see without my glasses, so for me to do it on camera will be a disaster. The parts will be crazy, be zigzag, okay? So I did mine off camera, and that is what I have sectioned off with my clips. So I'm just cutting out the lace right now. But also a key tip for this style: when you take sections from both ear to ear, make sure that middle section is super straight. I mean, like, make sure you do it a couple times and make sure it's directly in the middle, because once you slick that down, baby, it is not coming back up. You're gonna have to pray and just rely on that spray. If you're doing, you know, a black install with natural brown hair, you can use the spray, but baby, you better make sure that's in the middle. So now, this is another key tip as well. Take out the baby hairs first, because once you slick that back, you're not going to be able to take it back out. So section off your baby hairs that you want, and just twist them or braid them down. I kind of made mine to a little goatee. Y'all going to see in a minute. But yeah, section out where you want your baby hairs at, because like I said, once you swoop that back, it is it, okay? Period. Y'all see my rhinestone hot comb. Those will be coming very soon with my hair company this year. Stay tuned, 2023. Yeah, look at it. Real cute. So next step, we're going to slick this back. So you're going to take your wax stick and you're going to just take it across the entire front of your hairline, because you want to make sure that is super sleek and pushed back. And you're also going to put the wax right there in the center of both sections so you can get that slick as well. So I took a new wax stick. I've been trying to get this wax stick for a minute. This is the She Is Bomb. I feel like, I don't know why, it's like a dip in the wax stick. Like, why I gotta dip in the wax stick? I don't know. But I think I'm gonna stick to my Nature's Lustrous one. I like that one. That one is just gonna do it every time, okay? But I'm gonna stick with it. But I just don't know why I got a dip in. It's good, but I don't know why I got that. It was kind of making me mad. But yeah, slick that back and make sure you have everything sleek. And then we're gonna move into the next section. Alright, y'all, we're getting to the home stretch where we can start putting this behind our ears. So now we're going to mold and shape the section where we want it to be super flat so we can put it behind our ears. So you're going to take some sort of spritz. You can take Pump It Up. You can take Fantasia. You can take any type of holding spray that you want to use and just put it on the top of your section so that it is super flat, and use a brush and just, you know, brush it down. You can use your hot comb. Just get that section super flat. You want that to be very, very flat. That's the front of your head, so you don't want any lumps or anything. So just go over it a couple times. Be careful, because that is literally right in front of your hair. And don't rush. Take your time with this section and just get it flat. And we're going to move right into the next section, which is the baby hairs. So do your baby hairs first, and then we're going to slick it down. So for my baby hairs, I use Cream of Nature mousse. That is the best mousse ever. And then I take a little bit of Got To Be gel on the actual end of the curl, just so that it, stays into place. Do not mind my glasses. Y'all know I can't see, so they be all discombobulated and stuff, so I can see. But yeah, swoop your baby hairs, and y'all, I was having a meltdown during this. I'm tell you, doing baby hairs ain't no joke, child. I tell you, we wanted to quit and call the install a wrap, because doing them, ooh, child, some days is better than others. It be making me just want to just say, be done with it, okay? So take your time, get your baby hairs where you want them. But yeah, this mousse is the truth. If you want a nice mousse that does not have alcohol in it, this is your go-to. And this is definitely one of my holy grails when it comes to doing baby hairs. Alright, y'all, so now that we got it all flat and sleek, we're going to take a rubber band and you're going to take the two sections and put it behind your head. So it's going to go all the way to the back of your neck, and you're going to gather the two pieces and just tie it with a rubber band. You could take two or whatever. I just did one. This wig wasn't as full. It was only 150 density, so I didn't need so many rubber bands. Just take one or whatever you need and just get it positioned in the back. Make sure it's flat as well, because if one's uneven or anything, it's going to make it look crazy in the front. So make sure they're both even, and you just tie the rubber band tight, and then you should be good to go. Period. Y'all see that? Yeah, did that. Yup, nice and sleek, shiny. Yes, child, we did that. Now we in this together, we doing this tutorial. Girl, you done made it to the home stretch. Let's go. We halfway done. So now it's time for the ponytail part of the hairstyle. So you're going to take a section of your hair. Doesn't really matter. I kind of just grab from the side to side and just put the middle up. So just take a section of hair just for a half up, half down, and then we're going to also mold that as well with some wax and some holding spray, because you need that to be really sleek as well, because that will be showing because it is a ponytail, so you want it to be sleek and nice and flat as well. So get that all together, comb it out and stuff. Mine was a little nappy and stuff, so get it combed together, get that section all out, and we're going to put that up with a rubber band as well. So now, y'all, all that is left to this style is to just press it out. You can do so much with this style, which I love, because you don't have to just straighten your hair. You can crimp it, you can curl it, you can do so much with this style. You don't have to just do it straight, but I just decided to do it straight. I love straight hair, y'all know that, so I just pressed it out really quick. Of course, I use bio silk and my turn up the heat protectant. That's my favorite. It smells so good. So just take your hot tool, whatever you're going to do to the hair, and just make sure you get it styled. And we're going to go into the next and last section to get the claw clip up there with the ponytail. So go ahead and get this straight. I'm going to speed this up so you guys can just see me press it out, and then we're going to do the actual clip part. Alright y'all, and the last step to this is the claw clip. So since this hair is not super long, I didn't do the little knot that people normally do with the claw clip. Since it's 18, I just put the hair all the way up and put the clip at the base of the ponytail just because it wasn't super long. Now the people that do like the curly half up half down with the claw clip, you have, you know, a lot more hair to be able to do that little it's kind of like a half ponytail. You don't pull it all the way through. But since this is only 18, I didn't have enough hair to be pulling that into a half ponytail, you know what I'm saying, to not pull it all the way through. So I just took the hair all the way up and put the clip at the base of the hair just so that it gives this some volume. And then I just pressed out the tips of the hair so that it just kind of matched with the rest of everything. And that is it, y'all. This hairstyle came out so cute, and I'm so excited to be doing new hairstyles. This was so different and fun, and I'm so glad I got to do it. This color was just bomb. The wig actually itself was really nice. It performed well. I did not have to bleach or anything. If you want to, you know, remove color from the knots, if you want to for colored hair, you do not have to bleach it. You can just get some color remover to do it on the knots. But other than that, girl, you are good to go. This wig was bomb. Check out this wig, y'all. I have this wig linked in my description box from Unice, and yes, check it out, y'all. This wig color is bomb for the winter. I'm telling you, this is the it color. Like, I was so shocked when I put it on. Like, I was so hyped to put this wig on because the color is just beautiful. So try out this claw clip style, y'all. It's so easy. I see people do the, you know, quick weave, but you can definitely do it with the frontal wig and finesse it, period, because it is so cute, y'all. Do this style, and I can't wait to somebody book this style for my clients, period, because I can't wait to do it on somebody else because I know I'm gonna eat down on their hairstyle. But other than that, make sure you guys check out the description for the wig to Unice. Also follow all my social media, guys. Everything is below. Follow my hair page as well, Melted by Miss Marie. I'll have everything linked below for you guys to get easy access to my pages. And yes, I would love for you guys to follow me if you guys do hair as well. Let's connect and be friends, and definitely motivate each other because we're all in this together. Check out my work, y'all. And with all that being said, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys tried this style. This was super fun and super cute. So with all that being said, I love you guys, and I'll catch you guys back in my next video very soon. Bye, everyone. Mwah.